As drones became more affordable for the general user, with more features that made controlling them easier, it was only a matter of time when people began to attach small cameras to them for great shots from the top. And so it's natural that several drone makers have begun to come out with flying machines that are designed especially for these photographers, looking for stunning aerial angles for their shots. One of the better camera drones in the market that you can lay your hands on right now is the MJX X400W FPV Drone from DBPOWER. Here's a quick look at this very interesting machine.
Here we go!
This device from DBPOWER is an FPV drone that doesn't just let you capture stunning still and video shots, but also lets you keep track of what it is shooting over Wi-Fi. But before you get on to capturing these shots, you need to have a drone that you are able to fly easily, and the X400W excels in this department. It supports the headless mode of flying, which takes away all worry about the orientation of the quadcopter. In this mode, regardless of the direction your drone is pointing in, you just need to focus on the transmitter and the machine moves accordingly. You get 2 speed modes on this device, with the low speed one for beginners letting you get a hang of the controls before graduating to the high speed one. Under the headless mode, you also get the one key return feature, with which the drone returns automatically to you, making controls a lot easier. And even in your beginner mode, you can impress your friends or take striking shots by performing 360-degree flips in all directions. The function button makes the drone perform death-defying stunts that you'd need weeks of practice for on other machines. A flying time of 8 to 9 minutes on one charge and a control distance of about 100 meters also make it an excellent rival to drones in this category. This brings us to its specialty. The camera. It features a C4005 high-pixel camera with intelligent identification PCB, which lets you shoot while it's flying for some truly memorable shots for your home movie or a family gathering. With the built-in Wi-Fi module, you can see exactly what your camera sees with live video on your mobile device via the app. And your captured photos and videos can be stored both on the mobile app and the TF card with Hi-Fi, so that you can share it with friends anywhere you want. So, with this DBPOWER camera drone, you get a superior, easier to control flying machine and the option to add that extra zing to your photography. Let's see if its features have managed to impress its reviewers. With an average score of 4.2 on 5 stars from over 1,500 user reviews, it looks like they have. The jury on ease of control seems to be split, with some users taking their time to get the hang of it, while in other cases, even very young users finding it a cinch. But the overall value for money and the hours of fun it promises eventually make this a big hit. That's about all we have for now on the DBPOWER MJX X400W FPV Drone. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of drones here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.